Got him.
No way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's up, guys? How's it been? It's been a while. Today is gonna be a fun video. I mean, it's gonna be filled packed with fun. We just bought ourselves an all little ice fishing ugly stick. Oh man, we're gonna go down some creeks. I know you're not supposed to use that kind of rod and reel combo for a creek fishing video, but who the hell cares? This is gonna be fun. Really, that's the whole part of the game here, is to have fun, you know. And yeah, the rod we got, like I said, is an ugly stick. Well, I don't know how many. I think it's maybe 2 feet. But it's got 4-pound test on it. We're just trying to go microfishing, and it's gonna be a hell of a time. Anyways, guys, I will see you at the spot.
Yeah. Yeah. She's a beauty. This thing casts pretty well.
You cast it already?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna walk up to the right or down to the left?
You want to go left first?
So.
The only reason I say right is because it has fish. We see
Yeah, I know, but like.
I think we should go upstream.
Let's go upstream.
Yeah. Ooh, right in there. Right in that cove. He's looking at it. He's looking at it. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Oh, bass.
Yeah.
God, how'd you walk across this? Yeah, there's a little shad. It's literally like. Got one. Got one. Oh no!
No way.
No. I'm gonna. Then I have scissors in there as well. Got him.
No way.
Yes, sir.
Damn,
Yeah, baby.
Get a release on that thing.
Get a release on this bad boy. There he goes.
Damn,
Open.
bro. Kind of goggle-eyed perch. No way.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah. There we go, baby. Whoa.
Oh, got it. He had it. Oh, no way. Oh my god.
The bass. Oh, just missed him. Oh, just missed him again.
God damn it, bro. I fucking suck.
Oh my God, he pulled on me so hard. You thought it was the bass?
Yeah.
There it is. What is that? Fish number 4? Oh, I love releasing these guys. Oh my God, he just takes it and then drops it.
What?
Takes it and then drops it. There's a whole school of bass over here. I haven't tried it. There we go. There we go. See you, buddy. I let them eat it and then I just kind of set the hook lightly. Glad I bought these little shads. Skip that. Oh, yes. Good little fish. See you, buddy. KJ, how was your fishing experience? He's pissed. Anyways, fellas, that was today's exploration. It was a very fun day. What is? All right. Anyways, yeah. Today's exploration, like we went through some creeks and, or just one creek, I guess. One whole river stream all the way down to through Custer, here in Texas, and it's been a lot of fun. KJ, how many did you catch? I don't think you caught any actually. I truly didn't know. I caught about maybe 7 or 8. But yeah, it's been fun. If you enjoy these types of videos, I guess, make sure to leave a comment down below and tell me how I did. Maybe there's any more ideas that you guys have. But yeah, he caught a tree. All right. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.